Here it is, February 14th. It was 23 degrees when I left the house. Supposed to hit up to about 30 or so today. And I think I got the voice commands on the mic adapter for the GoPro solved. So that's a good excuse for a go to a ride. Let's see how it goes. GoPro, start recording. And that didn't work. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Okay, what's going on here now? GoPro, start recording. Well, obviously got some more work to do. Had my balaclava up over my mouth, which you really need out here. Try it without the balaclava. Well, obviously got some more work to do. Had my balaclava up over my mouth, which you really need out here. Try it without the balaclava. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Well, there's got to be some kind of secret to this. It worked when I had it back at the house, and out here it don't. Shift the mic position around a little bit. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording. Well, I haven't been down this trail in a little bit. Normally it's kind of rocky, but got some snow on it. Smooth things up. GoPro, stop recording. Well, this thing doesn't like taking commands over the outside mic. Head up to the lake here. Whew. See what's going on up there. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, beautiful day up here. I ain't got to go all the way around. And my goggles are getting fogged up here. If I'm going to keep up this winter riding, I got to get me some regular ski goggles or something that don't fog up. These usually do okay as long as you're moving, but as soon as you slow up, they'll get it. Yeah, some footy prints there. Looks like coyotes. My buddies from the Brokenecks channel go out there and play on the ice. And the Wild Alaskan channel goes out there on his motorcycle with spikes on the tires. Ice is about a foot thick right now, but being out here by myself, I ain't gonna run out on it. Oh, beautiful out here today. GoPro, stop recording. Touchy damn microphone. I'm gonna have to figure out something for that. Can't be stopping every time you want to give a command. Somebody must have run into this before. I can't find nothing on the internet. GoPro, stop recording. Well, heading on back. Slippery uphill here. Whoa, slide sideways on the mud hole. Back down over the rock pile. Take this little run around here because it keeps you out of the bigger rocks. Okay, back out on the easy trail. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, same thing. Got to come to a stop before you can record. It's got to be external noise impacting the microphones in the camera. So I got to find some way of muffling that. And I thought I had. I'd put a couple of pieces of tape over the mic holes in the camera. But apparently it wasn't enough. So something else has got to work. testing it at home. I put the camera out in the living room, piled a bunch of laundry on top of it, took the mic in the bathroom and shut the door, and voice commands worked. GoPro, stop recording. Same thing. GoPro, stop recording.